First, this is the stop sign, and it means that drivers must come to a complete stop at the marked line or intersection. It's a critical sign for preventing collisions and ensuring everyone has a fair chance to safely proceed through the junction. This is the yield sign, and it means drivers must slow down and be prepared to stop if necessary, to give way to other vehicles or pedestrians. This is the no right turn sign, and it means that making a right-hand turn at the upcoming junction is strictly prohibited. This is the school bus stop ahead sign, and it warns drivers that they are approaching a location where school buses stop to pick up or drop off children. Vehicles must be ready to stop and yield when the bus extends its stop sign or flashes red lights. This is the no left turn sign, and it means drivers cannot make a left turn at the intersection ahead. This restriction helps reduce turning conflicts and maintain smoother, safer traffic flow through busy or complex roadways. This is the curve left sign, and it means there is a bend in the road coming up that curves to the left. Drivers should reduce their speed, stay in their lane, and adjust their steering to safely follow the curve. This is the one-way left sign, and it means all traffic on the upcoming street or section must move in the leftward direction only. No turns in the opposite direction are allowed, helping to maintain a consistent and safe flow of one-way traffic. This is the added left lane sign, and it indicates that an additional lane will appear on the left-hand side of the road ahead. This gives drivers more space to merge or change lanes and helps reduce congestion in high traffic areas. This is the keep right sign, and it instructs drivers to stay on the right side of an obstacle, median, or divider. It's commonly found in areas with split roadways or traffic islands to guide vehicles safely around obstructions. This is the two-way traffic sign, and it means that vehicles will now be sharing the road with oncoming traffic traveling in the opposite direction. This is especially important after divided highways end or on rural roads where there are no median barriers. This is the weight limit sign, and it indicates the maximum vehicle weight allowed on the road, bridge, or structure ahead. This helps protect infrastructure from damage and ensures safety. This is the speed limit sign, and it marks the maximum legal driving speed permitted on this section of the road. Staying within this limit helps prevent accidents, keeps traffic flowing smoothly, and avoids fines or penalties for speeding violations. This is the railroad crossing crossbuck sign, and it means that a railway track crosses the road ahead. Drivers must be ready to stop if a train is approaching, and remember that trains always have the right of way. This is the no U-turn sign, and it means that making a 180-degree turn at this location is prohibited. This rule helps keep intersections clear. This is the turn right sign, and it means that drivers must prepare to make a right-hand turn ahead. This could be at an interchange, a junction, or a sharp bend, so drivers should signal early and move into the correct lane. This is the truck rollover warning sign, and it alerts truck drivers that the road ahead poses a risk of rollover, usually because of sharp curves or steep grades. Heavy vehicles should reduce speed significantly and stay centered in their lane to prevent tipping over. This is the divided highway begins sign, and it means that a physical divider, such as a median or barrier, will now separate opposing lanes of traffic. This is the no parking sign, and it means drivers are not allowed to park their vehicles in the marked area, whether for safety reasons, to ensure emergency access, or to maintain traffic flow. This is the added right lane sign, and it means that an additional lane will appear on the right side of the road ahead. This helps relieve congestion by giving drivers more space to merge, pass, or continue forward without needing to change lanes. This is the school speed limit ahead sign, and it means a lower speed limit applies in the upcoming school zone. This is the keep left sign, and it means that drivers are required to stay to the left of a traffic island, barrier, or divider. This guidance helps vehicles navigate safely around obstacles while maintaining organized traffic flow. This is the pedestrian's crossing sign, and it means that drivers should be prepared to stop for pedestrians who may be crossing the street. This sign reminds drivers to stay alert and yield to people on foot. This is the no entry sign, and it means that vehicles are not allowed to enter the street or road from the direction they are approaching, commonly placed at the end of one-way streets. This sign helps prevent wrong-way driving and potential head-on collisions. This is the lane ends merge, right sign, and it means that the right-hand lane is coming to an end ahead. Drivers in that lane must merge safely to the left. This is the exit speed sign, and it recommends a safe speed for drivers as they leave the highway via an off-ramp. Slowing down to this suggested speed helps ensure a smooth and controlled exit from high-speed roads. This is the one-way, right sign, and it means that traffic is only allowed to move in the direction indicated by the arrow, which in this case is to the right. This helps keep traffic flowing smoothly in one direction, especially in city centers or narrow streets. This is the bike lane sign, and it means that the marked lane ahead is reserved exclusively for cyclists. Drivers must not enter, block, or park in this lane. This is the curve, right sign, and it warns that the road ahead bends sharply to the right. This is the turn left sign, and it advises drivers that they should prepare to make a left turn at an upcoming intersection, junction, or interchange. Drivers should check their mirrors, signal in advance, and position their vehicle safely in the left lane when possible. This is the school crossing, school zone sign, and it warns that children may be crossing the road ahead. This is the ramp speed advisory sign, and it provides drivers with a suggested safe speed for navigating highway on-ramps or off-ramps. Following this advisory helps drivers maintain better control when merging or exiting on curves or slopes. This is the slippery when wet ahead sign, and it alerts drivers that the road surface may become extra slick when wet due to rain, oil, or debris. Drivers should slow down and avoid hard braking or sudden steering to prevent skidding or losing control. This is the road narrows sign, and it means that the width of the roadway ahead will decrease, leaving less room for vehicles. Drivers should reduce speed, stay centered in their lane, and prepare to merge or yield as needed when navigating the narrower section. This is the no truck sign, and it means that large commercial vehicles, such as trucks, are prohibited from entering this area. This restriction helps maintain safer traffic conditions. This is the handicapped sign, and it indicates that the parking space, entrance, or facility is reserved for individuals with disabilities. Thanks for following along with these important road sign explanations. We hope this guide has helped you understand the meaning behind each sign and why they matter for safe driving. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more road safety tips and driving lessons. Until next time, keep learning, stay alert, and always respect the signs on the road.